Namaste Yogis. Thank you for watching my channel Yoga with Indian Yogi. Today I brought my next topic, Antar Kumbhak. So in my previous video, I posted about Vahya Kumbhak. So Vahya Kumbhak was to hold the breath externally. So Kumbhak comes for those yoga practitioners who have been raised to the advanced level. Basically, it's a Hatha Yoga practice, and to whom it's suitable, the people who are practicing pranayama since a long time. This channel is for sincere yogis who want to grow into yoga, into spiritual world. So please don't skip the video. It's very useful. Watch the video fully so you will get all the idea what is Kumbhak. Internal Kumbhak means Antar. I will hold my breath internally, and also three bandhas. So bandhas, if you're aware about bandhas, what are bandhas? How do they work and the benefits? So everything is going to be involved. So please stay tuned and watch the video. So first, the posture. So you may sit in Padmasana or lotus pose. If it's not that convenient, you may also use Siddhasana. So the posture is very much important to practice Kumbhak. Kumbhak, it works deeply. As Swami Ramdev, he mentions Kumbhak is for advancement of your internal flow, your energy. So that means to preserve the energy, our asana, it stores our energy. So if you're not comfortable into Padmasana, you may also use Siddhasana. So for Siddhasana, you bend one leg at the knee, you place the other leg on the top of this one. So Siddhasana is basically for meditation, and for pranayama as well, we may practice this asana. So if you sit in Siddhasana, you keep your back straight, and to practice Antar Kumbhak means internal holding. We take a deep breath, and I will show you three bandhas. So they come in a sequence. So first we take a deep breath. One bandha is to pull your abdomen close to the chest region. Second bandha is called Jalandhar. So you place the chin close to your chest. So they work simultaneously at the same time. And the third, Mool Bandha. So you just compress your anus region. Now the main working is to hold your breath internally as it was. Now you have that breath, it's inside the lungs. We need to release it. So we will open the chin, we will loose the abdomen, and we will release the whole bandha and exhalation. Again, the same pattern, we will inhale deeply. Now prana is there, we compress the Mool Bandha, second Uddiyana, and third Jalandhar. So we make sure we don't lose this prana. And this is for the strengthening the lungs, for strengthening diaphragm, the rib cage, and the chest. Beginners, you may hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. Intermediate, 10 to 20. And advanced practitioners could reach till 30 seconds. So whenever you want to exhale, so this is the practice of Antar Kumbhak, means you are holding that force, that prana inside. So what it does, it expands your energy, and now it comes. So there were three bandhas to practice with Antar Kumbhak. So bandhas, they are concerned with the Kumbhak. Now it's very important to know that who should practice Antar Kumbhak. So Antar Kumbhak is for that they are looking for expansion of energy, the expansion of prana on upper body. So when your upper body is more active, that's why You want that energy to expand. So that's why we practice Antar Kumbhak to expand our energy level. And now it will come with chakras. So when you practice Antar Kumbhak, you will automatically feel your Manipur chakra more active. You will find your heart chakra to be awakened. And main thing, this is the main working of Antar Kumbhak, your thyroid gland. It will be so much active. Vishuddhi chakra, it's more awakened. So you will try it 3 to 5 rounds daily if you're practicing in a daily routine, or if you're giving some gap, so you may increase the numbers. If you're practicing maybe 2 to 3 times in a week, so try to hold it for 10 to 11 numbers. And as I always ask you to please ask questions, put comments so I know your progress. Please put in comments, how do you practice it? Are you practicing with proper bandha, or you are facing any difficulty or challenge? Then please feel free to write down so I can know your progress. That's why it's in a sequence. Then you start with Mool Bandha, Uddiyana Bandha, and then Jalandhar Bandha. So when these three bandhas are together, basically it's called Maha Bandha. So as you will see other channels, yoga with Adrienne, she also mentions a lot of description about asanas. So this is the thing you get on this channel. You get that authentic information. If you will go yoga with Cassandra, so she also mentions a lot of knowledge about yoga, which is very much informative. But you want to enhance, want to expand yourself, it's very important to know the bandhas. They have a deep working on your physical body, mental body, and emotional part. So when you want to settle everything to keep body in a well tone, to keep mind under control, and your emotions to be expanded. So that's why you need Antar Kumbhak in a daily routine. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the comments, which is very important, and share the video so it goes to the right persons who are looking for the growth. So thank you so much. Namaste.